Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the stock and common piles. This matters because the game flow depends on a clean layout. Once the deck is shuffled, deal 30 cards to each player as your stock pile and flip the top card. Make sure players can see their own. Then arrange 4 shared building piles in the center, numbered implicitly starting at 1, and give each player 4 discard slots to the side. This quick setup gets you into play-ready position without delay. You draw up to 5 cards at the start of your turn, so focus on planning sequences before you play. Then build onto the central piles using cards in sequence from 1 through 12. Use skip bow cards as wilds to bridge gaps when needed. You can play from hand, stock pile top, or top of your discard piles. Prioritize emptying your stock pile because doing so wins rounds. Once you can no longer play, discard exactly 1 card to any of your 4 discard slots to end your turn. You finish the game by being the first to play every card from your stock pile. That final play is decisive, so plan earlier turns to enable it. If players dispute a tie, agree on a quick tiebreaker, either another hand or a points count, before starting. If play stalls because the draw deck is empty, reshuffle the completed building piles into a new draw deck and continue. Doing this keeps the game moving and prevents deadlock while preserving fairness.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.